Using this motor boat has scared away all the birds here. See how the birds are scared. And you can very well see some of them are not wearing life jackets here in this boat. So many passengers are there. You can see clearly behind. The two people who are sitting there behind are not wearing life jacket at all. See how the birds are scared. This motor boat with its sound is creating such havoc and disruption to the birds. See how restlessly they are whirling around. Birds are. See, entire birds have evacuated this place now due to this functioning of motorboat now. You can very well see it tangibly. There is so many hundreds of birds have flew away.